Quantifying forecast uncertainty is arguably the most controversial and misunderstood challenge in supply chain management today. Everyone knows it's critical, yet most rely on gut feel or flawed averages, leading to massive hidden costs. In this video, I will demystify the science behind prediction intervals and show you a software solution that finally gets it right. Let's start by understanding why this problem is so persistent in the supply industry. Demand is never perfectly steady. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. It's lumpy, seasonal, and full of surprises. Generic tools and simple statistical rules fail miserably because they assume a nice, normal distribution that doesn't exist in the real world. This leads to a constant cycle of overstocking, which ties up capital, or stockouts, which anger customers. The real challenge is capturing the true shape of uncertainty, not just a single number. Now, let's dive into the technical method that changes the game. CalculatePredictionIntervals uses a quantile-based approach. Instead of just multiplying standard deviation by a fixed factor, it models the entire probability distribution of future demand. This means we can ask specific questions. What is the range of demand I am 95% confident it will fall within, or 80%? The software calculates these intervals directly from your data's historical patterns, including those tricky periods of zero demand or sudden spikes. It moves beyond the misconception that uncertainty is symmetric or simple. The software solution, CalculatePredictionIntervals, is engineered for this complexity. It starts by ingesting your raw historical demand data. The system cleanses the data, identifies baselines, and accounts for seasonality and trends. Then, its core engine computes the prediction intervals at the confidence levels you specify. Every calculation is logged in a detailed audit trail for full transparency and compliance. A powerful feature is the scenario modeling capability. You can instantly see how widening or narrowing your confidence interval affects recommended inventory levels, allowing for strategic trade-off decisions between cost and service. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example to make this concrete. Consider a distributor of electronic components facing highly volatile lead times and demand. We input 2 years of historical sales data flagging promotional periods. We set a desired service level target of 98%. Full case, full case, full case, full case, full case, full case, full case. We set a desired service level target of 98%. CalculatePredictionIntervals processes this and outputs a prediction interval for the next quarter. The visualization shows not just a forecast line, but a shaded band representing the range of probable demand. The measurable outcome is a clear, data-backed recommendation for safety stock quantity that balances risk and cost without relying on arbitrary rules of thumb. On compliance and reporting, the software generates clear, stakeholder-ready reports. These reports translate complex statistical outputs into actionable business insights, with charts and intervals that management and auditors can easily understand. They demonstrate due diligence in risk management and align with frameworks that require quantifiable risk assessment. In summary, CalculatePredictionIntervals provides the missing link between statistical rigor and supply chain execution. It gives you the power to quantify uncertainty with precision, optimize inventory investments with confidence, and build a more resilient operation.